Hey guys, this is Jared. I got this product to review. If you've got pets, you know how quickly hair ends up on the couch, the rugs, or even in the car. This electrostatic pet hair remover glove makes cleanup so much easier. Instead of just scraping or wasting sticky lint rollers, you just glide this right over any surface, your dog, your cat, your rug, and the electrostatic power attracts and locks in the pet hair, the lint, the dander, and dust in seconds, and gets those really fine hairs. This is washable and reusable. You just rinse it and air dry it, and one glove just replaces hundreds of those lint rollers, which saves money and reduces plastic waste as well. So this glove itself is lightweight and comfortable with hypoallergenic fibers, and it has a non-slip cuff on there as well, and it's gentle on your pets so you can groom them instead of having it be a battle. So, and like I said, it works everywhere: sofas, carpets, beds, pets, in the car, even in those tricky corners on the baseboard. So this can be used in a lot of different areas. It does a great job of picking up that dog hair, and I definitely would recommend this product.